Morning. No.
Morning! Uy, tapos kape. Mag-milk pala, mag-milk sila. Mag-Milo sila. Mag-Milo mga kuya. Papakape. Walang pasok. 2 araw na kayo walang ligo, kuya.
Yeah.
Okay lang yan. Gupit tayo bukas.
Papa, you need to help us, please. We have all the there.
Ha? Eh, sa Sunday na kayo. Sunday kayo mag-gupit. Pag-work.
If this keeps up, 1 year later, I'll not be able to see you.
Hindi bawal sa inyo yung hindi bawal sa inyo. Hindi bawal yung hatambok sa inyo. Bawal.
It's okay if it doesn't reach our eyes.
Anong ginagawa mo, Yot? Upo mo, Yos!
Spider-Man!
Spider-Man ka! Magaling mo si Spider-Man, hindi ka naman magsulat.
Papa!
Marunong ka magsulat?
Papa! Spider-Man!
Ha?
Papa! No! We don't even have a Spider-Man suit.
Ay, yun yung suot ng damit niya.
Oh. Okay. No! But a Spider-Man is supposed to be a secret identity. People aren't supposed to know who you are. You're blatantly showing your face.
Okay lang yun.
But it's okay.
Yun na, drink damit. Drink na. Si RG Pikachu? Pikachu ka, G?
Spider-Man!
Si RG Pikachu daw siya.
Spider-Man!
Drink na.